have a tower here that I think the importance of that tower, to me, is much more from a city planning point of view or from a city design point of view than necessarily from an architectural point of view. It is a landmark that helps people navigate, helps people understand where they are, and it does give a sense of grandeur, I think, in some sense, to the university because it exists. You know, in history, towers have been, you know, either for religious reasons or for military reasons. Here, it's for music.